A very good afternoon to the students. How are you? I hope you all are in a very good health and having a great time. I am Afreen Khan and I like to welcome you all to Learner's Right. And today we will be learning very important facts about science and surroundings. So before starting, let me ask you a simple question. How many of you are animal lovers? How many of you are having pets at home? Let me tell you that I am a very big animal lover. I used to have lots of pets in my house, like cats, a fish, two rabbits, even birds. So when you have pets, you know how to take care of them, right? So how many of you are having pets at home? Even if you are not having pets, you must be seeing stray dogs, cats, and buffaloes, even the birds visit our houses, right? So you must be observing and you must be noticing what can be the basic necessity for an animal. Yes, what do they need? Basically, what is all our basic necessity? It is food. Just like us, animals also need food to live and grow. Yes, to stay healthy and strong, right? So, but all the animals, do they eat the same kind of food? Whether it will be a pet animal, a stray animal, a insect, a reptile, or a wild animal. Are they all eating the same kinds of food? No, they are not. They are eating different kinds of food. And irrespective of their size, each animal is eating a different kind of food. So that is what we are going to learn today. The animals are characterized by the food they eat. So, the first classification of animals is done on the basis of the animals eating plants. The plant eating animals like camel, giraffe, horse, rabbit, a cow, goat, deer, and many other animals. All these animals which depend on plants are called herbivorous animals. This word herbivorous is a Latin word where the herb, H-E-R-B, herb, means green plants. You may recall the herbs and the shrubs you must have read before. Okay, so the herb means the green plant. From this word only, the new word comes herbivorous, means the plant-eating animals. The plant-eating animals, they may eat leaf, fruit, vegetables, root, seed, bark. Okay, all the different parts of the plant the animals can intake as food. So why do these animals have this special ability of eating such food? They must be having certain characteristics, right? So what are the characteristics of a herbivorous animal? They have strong teeth. If you have ever noticed a goat, you can see the front teeth are very sharp and pointed, right? They are very strong. And the back teeth are also very strong to chew the food, to chew the plant material. Plant cellulose is very strong, very hard. So you must have strong muscles, strong teeth to chew it properly, right? Like the coconut shell. Some animals are able to break the coconut shell and eat it. It means they must be having very strong teeth. The bamboo, the pandas eat the bamboo. The bamboo is the strongest wood, right? So here they have strong teeth and they must be having a very good digestive system. Okay, the digestive system is capable of handling large amount of food. Means you must have seen the cattle grazing animals like cows, the goats. They keep on eating the food. They keep on grazing for a long time. And once they are done, they will sit and chew their food. Even if they are not eating, they will continuously chew their food. So what they are doing, these animals are called ruminating animals. What does that mean? It means once they have eaten, they will eat large amount of food and store it somewhere in their stomach. And once they are free, they will bring back the undigested food in their mouth in a form of balls, and they will chew it again. And hence here the process of digestion, actual digestion starts, which mixes with lot of saliva, and the process of digestion starts then, right? So if you have a pet goat in your house or a cow in your house, when the cow is simply chewing the food, you can touch it here and you can feel the cow bringing the like balls from inside towards his mouth. It is like a pressure, throws inside the mouth and then chew it and then swallow it. So this is the process of the herbivorous animals, how they eat the food. Okay. And another example of herbivorous animal is a squirrel. So the squirrel, what squirrels do, they chew. They will not chew the food. They will keep the food, lots of food, store the food in their food pockets, like here in the cheek, around the cheeks. They will store it. Lot. It is very flexible. You will see in this picture also. You can see it's very flexible. They will store lot of grains or nuts here and store it for later use and eat it later. Okay. So apart from this, apart from a very strong digestive system, they also have broad elongated skulls and the eyes are generally on their sides. Like deer, the cow, buffalo, they have eyes. We are having eyes in our front, right? We are having our eyes in front, but they have eyes in the side. The skull is elongated and the eyes are in the side. Why? So that they can get a broader view, a broader horizon of where they are grazing, right? They don't need to look up. While grazing also they can see, they can have the full view of things around them, right? So these were the characteristics of herbivorous animals. So the herbivorous animals are further classified as frugivores, means the fruit eaters. So can you think of any animal which eat fruit? Yes, monkeys? Yes, the monkeys love banana, right? Another is granivores, yeah, seed eaters. Seed eaters or the grain eaters, like the birds, the pigeons, hen, they also eat seed. The third one is nectivorous. From the word only it is clear it is a nectar feeder, right? From the flower they suck the nectar. So what would it be? Yes, the butterfly, the bees. They are also dependent on flower for their food. And the last one is polyborous. Polyborous means leaf eaters. So these were the further classification of herbivorous animals. Now comes the next, flesh-eating animals or the carnivores. This carnivore is also a Latin word. It is formed by the word carn or carno, which means flesh. Okay. So can you think of any animals which are flesh-eating animals? Yes. I guess you can guess it right. Tiger, lion, all these are carnivorous animals. So what are their characteristics? They have sharp pointed teeth. Yes, the first thing which comes in our mind is their sharp pointed teeth. Yes, like the tiger. And they have strong muscles, pointed claws. What is the basic need for a carnivore animal is they are basically hunters. They have to catch prey. So they have to tear apart the flesh of an animal, and their teeth should be very strong, and they have to, their claws, their nails are also very sharp and pointed. And because they have to catch the prey, they should have hunting sense, and they should be having high speed, right? Even the birds, the big birds like vulture, eagle, they are also carnivores. They can catch the prey from miles. They are flying above in the sky, and they can see. They have a very bright vision, and they can see and focus and catch the rat as small as a animal as small as a rat. They can catch two animal as big as a kettle, a goat. They have strong muscles. They can easily catch them, and they can hold it and fly in the sky also, right? So, and another is alligator. The alligator or a crocodile, they also have very sharp pointed jaws. They are able to kill an animal as big as a wild buffalo. So they are very strong, and once they have eaten, when they are eating flesh, they are getting a lot of protein, lot of energy. So once they have eaten, they will not eat or they will not hunt again for. They can remain without food for 2 or 3 days also. It is not necessary that once they have dinner and then they will have breakfast again. It is not like that. Okay, so once they have finished and once their belly is full for 2 to 3 days, they don't need to eat. They can survive because they are getting full energy from the flesh and the bones. Okay, now more facts about the carnivore animals like snakes, scorpions, and spiders that they do not catch the prey. Okay, they do not follow, they do not run after the prey like the tiger or the lion. They run after the prey and they catch it. Instead of that, animals or uh, what these animals or insects they do, they use venom. Okay, to overpower their prey. They use this poison, and because of this poison, their prey becomes unconscious, and finally they will eat it. Like the snake. The snake can swallow a big animal as big as a cow also, a calf, a baby calf. They can swallow without even chewing. The mouth of a snake, the mouth of a bigger snake will expand to a large amount, and they will simply swallow it, and the further digestion will take place inside its body. They will not chew it, right? And similarly, the scorpions also poison their victim and then eat it. And what spiders do, they create the web, and when in a web any insect gets trapped, so what they do, they will inject venom on it, and it becomes unconscious. And for the spider, it becomes easy for them, for the spider, to kill and eat the insect. Okay, so these were some facts about how different carnivores eat. And one more, some other are jackals and raccoons. Some animals they do not kill. What they do instead, they will instead of killing, they will eat the prey of. Instead of killing, they will eat the prey killed by some other animal. They themselves will not kill, but they will eat the animals killed by other animals. Right? So this was about the carnivore animals, and now the third category is about the omnivorous. Omnivorous means the animals which eat plant and flesh both. Okay, so this is also we were discussing about um, the the third category of animals, which is the plant and flesh eating animals both. They are called omnivorous animals. So omni means everything. Means they eat plants also and they eat animals also. So can you think of any animal which is an omnivore? Means they will eat plant products also and animal products also. Yes, yes, exactly. The humans. The humans are genetically omnivores. It depends on us that whether we are vegetarian or non-vegetarian. It is our choice. But actually our body is built to eat the flesh also and the plant products also. We cannot eat them raw because our digestive system is not that strong as like a herbivore or like the carnivores to digest the raw food. But we can cook it and make it soft and tender and then we can eat it. So animals which eat plants and flesh both are called omnivores, including humans. They, but some other omnivorous animals, they may eat eggs, insects, algae, fungi, etc. Some of the turtles are also omnivorous, and pigs and rats, bears, they are omnivorous. So their body, their digestive system, their uh, teeth structure, that depends that they can eat. It is made in a way they can eat both flesh, like our front teeth. Our front teeth are used for biting, and we have four canines also, just like the carnivorous animals. Not like that sharp, we don't have that sharp teeth, but still we have the canines and the jaws for chewing hard food. So, and our digestive system is also the same way, so that we can digest that food, right? So, these are the some examples of omnivorous animals. Can you think of some more? Okay, so let's do a quick recap, right? So today we studied about types of animals. What are the three types of animals? First one is the herbivores. The herbivores are the animals which depend only on plants and plant products, right? The second one is the carnivores. Carnivores animals are those which depend only on animals. Animals, flesh-eating animals, bones, that's it. They will not eat herbs or plants products. And the third one is the omnivores. Omnivorous animals are those which can take plant products also and animal products also. Okay, so now it's time for a small activity. I have brought two animals with me today. These are not the real ones, obviously toy ones. So I'll be showing them to you, and you will have to identify them whether they are herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores. Okay, so let's start. Yes. What is this animal? It is a giraffe. Yes. The giraffe. So giraffe is a herbivore animal. You see, it has long neck so that the uh, tall leaves, leaves far away can be eaten by the giraffe. Okay. And another one is this. This is a shark. Yes. You can see the shark has pointed teeth, very sharp pointed teeth, and the body is also very strong. So it is a omnivore animal. Okay. Another here we have this elephant. So what is an elephant? Elephant is a herbivore. Very good. The next one is here, the crocodile. See the crocodile. Can you see the sharp teeth of a crocodile and the strong paws? Yes, claws. So this crocodile is also a carnivore. Yes. Now comes this cute little dog. So what do you think a dog is? A dog is a carnivore. Yes, a carnivore. If you give vegetables, radish, carrot, green vegetables, the dog will not eat. The dog will eat bone, flesh. Yes, so it is a carnivore. Okay, so this is a duck. Yes, can you see? It is a duck. So what is a duck? The duck don't eat animals or insects, I guess. So it is a herbivore. And here we have a lion. Easy. The lion is a carnivore. Yes. Now this one is a fish. So I guess this fish can eat grass, seaweeds also, and small fishes also. So this will be a omnivore. Yes. And this is a extinct species. It is a dinosaur. It was a dinosaur. So the dinosaur, this type of dinosaur used to eat animal flesh. Yes, they used to kill other animals. So this one is a carnivore. The other one with a long neck and short teeth were Brachiosaurus, I guess. They are the herbivores. This one is the carnivore. And this one is a rhinoceros. And the rhinoceros are, what do you think the rhinoceros is? A rhinoceros is also a herbivore. They will eat only herbs. So yes, just I told you that in the herbivorous animal, the eyes are on the side so that we can get a better view, better horizon of their field in which they are grazing, right? And it is also having a horn, but this is just for protection, not for hunting. Okay, and the last one, this little man here, what do you think he is an omnivore? Okay, so I think you like the session, and if you have any doubt, you can comment, ask me, I'll be replying you. And for you, the task is you also have to categorize at least 5 animals, whether they are herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores. You can draw them, you can take pictures, you can make puppets, whatever, that is your wish. I leave it up to you. And in the next class, we will be studying about the animal adaptation. So that will also be a very interesting topic. And so here I take your leave. I hope you like this session. And in case you have any doubt, you can please be free to ask. Okay. So take care. Have a nice day.